Hello everyone, my name is Taiwo Yunusa. In today's video, we're going to be talking about replication. Today's video is going to be in the two parts. First part is going to be a theoretical aspect, which is the explanation of replication. While the second part is going to be based on practical aspect, which we're going to configure server and database in the cloud, and we're going to replicate from on-premises to a cloud. So let's get started from this practical theoretical aspect, then we'll move to practical aspect. So when we talk about replication, we're going to talk about disaster recovery. And disaster recovery, this is a solution for placing one when one server go down, another server stay up in the process because of high availability disaster recovery setup. So what is a replication? This is a set of technologies for copying and contributing data and database object from one database to another to maintain consistencies. Meaning, for example, just you have a file in your file explorer, and if you didn't save the file in the cloud or save it, you have a copy somewhere, and mistakenly format or mistakenly delete the file is gone, right? But if you have the file that you save it in the cloud, OneDrive, so you can as well use your cloud to recover it back, just like you have a copy of your file in another place in case of it lost the original, right? So that's a replication for you. And terminology is for Microsoft SQL Server replication is articles. And these are the basic units to be replicated. The basic units to be replicated for replication tables, functions, procedures, views. So all of this can be replicated. And we have application. This is a logical collection of articles. This is a final set of entity from the database designed for replication, right? Our instance contains articles, right? In replication process, you may choose to replicate only a table, and the table will be known as replication. And articles can be vertical or horizontally by using filters. So meaning you can filter, maybe you want to, you can filter the amount of data, or want to select the kind of the table the one you want to replicate. It doesn't have to be the whole database, right? So, and a filter, this is a set of conditions for an article. Microsoft SQL Server replication allow you to use filters and select custom entity for replication, which as a result reduce traffic, redundancy, and amount of data stored in the database replication. For example, you can select only the most critical tables by using filter and replication only the data, right? And there are three main roles in SQL Server database replication, which are distributor, publisher, and subscription. Which distributor, this is a Microsoft SQL Server database configured for collecting transaction from publisher and for distributor them to subscribers. A distributor acts as a database for storing replicated transaction. We can as well call distributor a middleman, right? So it's the one that's going to act as a middleman. So publisher, this is a main database on which publication is configured, making database available to other Microsoft SQL Server that are configured to be used in the replication process. The publisher can have more than one publication, right? Publisher, publication, publisher. And database table are all known as articles, and subscription. This is a database that receives the replicated data from a publication, and a subscriber can receive data from one from more than one publisher and replication. Where, like I said before, you can as well replicate from node 1, node 2, maybe from production, from test, and from maybe from this that's disaster recovery, that is JHR. You can as well maybe want to use your dev environment. You can choose from any of the environment, and you can as well be doing your application on all of them to the Azure. So to the cloud, sorry. So from here now, this is the end of the theoretical aspects. So now we're gonna move to the practical aspects, right? So this is just a basic explanation on how replication work, right? So after this video, like I said, the next video we're gonna work on how the replication work from our on-premises to the cloud. So we're gonna start it from the beginning, from the file share, how you have to create your file share, then we're gonna create the server, and then do all the process. Thank you. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and like and share and turn on your notification.